Welcome to Portugal, a land of golden beaches, historic cities, and delicious cuisine. Whether you're strolling through the cobbled streets of Lisbon, exploring the fairy tale palaces of Sintra, or relaxing on the stunning Algarve coast, Portugal is a dream destination. But when is the best time to visit? Let's explore Portugal's seasons so you can plan the perfect trip. Unlike many European destinations, Portugal enjoys mild winters. While northern cities like Porto can be a bit chilly, the south remains pleasant and sunny. This is the best time for budget travelers, with fewer tourists and lower prices. Plus, you can experience festive Christmas markets and Madeira's world-famous New Year's fireworks. Spring is one of the best times to visit Portugal. The weather is warm but not too hot, making it perfect for exploring Lisbon, Porto, and Sintra. The Douro Valley's vineyards are in full bloom, and the Algarve's beaches are peaceful before the summer crowds arrive. It's also the season for festivals like the Lisbon Fish Festival. Summer in Portugal is hot, lively, and full of energy. This is the best time for beach lovers, with perfect conditions for sunbathing, surfing, and boat trips. Cities like Lisbon and Porto are buzzing with life, and festivals like Festa de São João in Porto bring the streets alive. However, summer is also the busiest and most expensive season, so be prepared for crowds. Autumn is a fantastic time to visit Portugal. The crowds disappear, the weather remains warm, and it's harvest season in the wine regions. The Algarve's beaches are still beautiful and peaceful, and cities like Lisbon and Porto have a more relaxed vibe. This is also the best time for wine lovers, with many vineyards offering tastings and tours. So, when is the best time to visit Portugal? It all depends on your travel style. Winter for budget-friendly city breaks? Spring for perfect sightseeing weather? Summer for beach fun and festivals? Or autumn for stunning landscapes and wine experiences? Which season would you love to visit Portugal in? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.